Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to automatically resize columns in Excel when the content changes using a simple VBA script. This can be incredibly useful when working with large datasets to ensure that your columns are always properly sized and you don't have to adjust them manually every time you make a change. Let's get started. First, open the workbook where you want to apply this feature. Then, follow these steps. Right-click on the Sheet tab at the bottom of your Excel window. From the Context menu, select View Code. This will open the VBA editor. In the top drop-down menu, select Worksheet. Now let's write the code. Add the following line inside the worksheet change event. Cells entire, column autofit. Let me break down what this code does. This command resizes all columns in the worksheet to fit the content, ensuring everything is displayed properly. After writing the code, save the VBA editor and return to your Excel workbook. Now, make any changes in the worksheet, whether adding text. You should notice that as soon as you make a change, Excel automatically resizes the columns to fit the new content. You've now set up an automatic column resizing feature in Excel using VBA. This is a simple but powerful way to save time and keep your worksheet looking neat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.